Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll discuss another important feature called as tabbed section. While designing dataverse forms, sometimes it is required that to open multiple records in a tabbed section instead of navigating to multiple tabs altogether. So how we can do that? So let me go to the form and create a new tab, and here I want to add a tab section, for example, enrollments, and inside this enrollment I want to use instead of a section I want to add a tabbed section, right? If you go to component section, you will find tabbed section. If you click on this tabbed section, it will ask you uh, what components you want to add in this tabbed section. Let's say I want to add a subgrid, so that subgrid will display the child records information uh, for my parent record. So I can click on the subgrid, and I want to use the icon for this subgrid. For example, let's say tabbed section. Let's say the tab is I want to add this tab, for example, and click on OK. This will display the icon of the tab, and here I can click on show related record because I want to display related record or child records of the parent. So I can choose student enrollment and click on done. Once I click on done, it will add a tabbed section where it will display the subgrid that is connected to the child entity. And here you will see the title is declared as reference panel section. And remember, the right side you will find the tab, right? Now let me click on this section and change the name to something like enrollments. Okay, let me remove this section. I don't want this section, top section. And in the subgrid, and to define the label as related enrollments. I can hide this section label also. If you think that it is duplicating the value, just hide the label so that it will keep pushing the label space away. And now you can save and publish. Now you'll see it is now giving a tabbed section, and you will see how it is working. You can now open multiple, you can work with multiple records from this subgrid within this section only. No need to use multiple screens. It will be handled through tabs inside this section only. So let me go and check. I'll go to the student and try to refresh the screen. And once it is refreshed, you will mark there is a tab whose name is enrollments on the student form. And when I click this enrollment on this form, this is the model driven app, right? So when I click this enrollment tab, you will see that a new tabbed section will be rendered where it will display the child records of enrollment which is associated to the student entity. Student and enrollment is two entity which is one is to one relationship, and this is now showing the tabbed view or tabbed section. Now in this tabbed section, we it is displaying two records, right? If you click this, it will not open in a separate tab, rather it will open as a tab. You see guys, now this tab will now display the information of this form. Now if you go back again and click on this another record, you see it is already tabbed. So until unless you close this tab, this option will not go away. So anytime you can go away to this form to work on and again go back to the tab, right? If you open another record, this record will also be opened as a new tab inside this section only. So you can navigate back and through to multiple records using tabs. And if when you want to go back to the home, click on this option, then it will go back to the home record whatever component you have added here, right? The point here is the create the section, the tabbed section will display or provides a way that how you can create multiple tabs inside this section to work on multiple records at a time. Instead of moving back and forth with multiple records, it will give a better way of managing multiple records in a subgrid. You can also add multiple tab reference panels using this tabbed section. If you go to the reference panel property here in the right side, tabbed section property, you'll find the adding another tab option. So if you click on add another tab, it will ask you which type of tab you want to add. Let's say I want to add another control, let's say external website, where I want to display my website information here. So let me just click on this subgrid.com and click on done. Then it will create another tab and display here, right? This is how you can manage multiple tabs in the same screen. And if you, so this is the, so I click on this, and here you will find, let me add another tab here. So it will add another tab. So you can add multiple tabs in your tabbed section and choose what type of image you want to display. Let's say I want to give a label here, for example, subchief footer, and here you can choose what is the height of this component, iframe component. And if you don't want to display border, just switch up the border here. Okay. Now you can see that it will create two tabs. If you go to enrollments, you'll see two tabs with multiple components associated. You see that first tab is the subgrid, and second tab is the subg portal, which is connected to an external website, right? And let us test this. Let me save and publish and test here in live. So this is kind of multiple tabbed section, plus on the top, if you are working with multiple records, it will also display tab. So horizontal tab and vertical tab is also uh, added in this tabbed section. So let me go here and test this. Until unless this save and publish is completed successfully, you cannot go there to check it live. You can add also other tabs, like if you want to add a quick view form, or if you add any HTML web resource that you want to display here, knowledge search, you can also associate in that tab. Okay, so let me check once it is saving and publishing success. If it is not completed and you refresh, you will not find the latest change. So you have to keep patience and keep waiting till the save and publish is completed. Let me try in the meantime. Fix it. Here I'm expecting another tab. So let me go enrollment. You see guys, when I click the enrollment tab, it is now loading the reference panel tabbed section, which display the child records subgrid. And if I'll click this one, which is another tab of the tabbed section, which will render the iframe that I have mentioned there. See guys, interesting, isn't it? So instead of using common, classic sections, you can take leverage of this section, which is a very important for managing multiple things inside a section, that will be managed through tabs, not completely complete up level tab inside section tab. For example, if you, as I told you previously, if you click any record, it will not open in a new window, rather it will be managed through this section. I hope it helps you. Thank you everyone. See you next time.